This Samsung Galaxy Tab S3 comes with glass design. The tab has a sleek profile and is lightweight at 434 grams, making it easy to carry with you. It is available in silver and black color variants. The Samsung Tab comes with a 4GB RAM for smooth performance while playing games or switching between multiple apps. It also features 32GB internal memory, which is expandable up to 256GB to let you store all your pictures and videos at one place. The tablet comes with single nano SIM configuration with 4G LTE support. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S3 has a 9.7-inch HDR-ready Super AMO LED screen that delivers cinematic vividness, details and deep contrast to everything you view on it. It also comes with S Pen that can be used for writing on the Galaxy Tab S3. The tablet comes with a 13-megapixel rear camera with autofocus and LED flash and a 5-megapixel front-facing camera. It runs on Android Nougat operating system with Snapdragon 820 quad-core processor, making it ideal for running multiple apps. This Samsung tablet runs on a 6000 mAh lithium-ion battery, providing talk time of 36 hours on 3G. It also comes with adaptive fast charging. The box includes tablet, Samsung S Pen, power adapter, USB Type-C cable and quick start guide. This Samsung Tab comes with standard brand warranty, 1 year for device and 6 months for in-box accessories. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods.